Hi everybody! Welcome to another Creative Berries Connect the Dots drawing video. In this video, we're going to be drawing Luca from Disney and Pixar's latest film, Luca. So don't forget, get your PDF in the description below, and you can draw with me. Or if you don't want to, just grab a piece of paper and draw with me anyways. Okay, let's go. Grab your pen. So I've got my pen, and we're going to start at number 1. And do a small curve to number 2. And then another curve from 2, 3, 4, and 5 like that. And I'm going to do a little S curve to number 6. Now from 6, we're doing a nice smooth line to 7, 8, 9. And we're going to go all the way around the circle. So just follow along. There's a cluster of numbers on the left side, 7.1 to 7.6. I want you to ignore those for now. The same on the other side, 18.1 to 18.6. I'll show you why. We'll get those later. All the way around to number 20 and stop. Then a small little line to 21, boop, like that. And the rest is easy. A smooth curve all the way down to 26, and then you're done. Now let's go back and finish these clusters of numbers here. So I want you to take your pen and swerve in and out and around the numbers, just like I'm doing right now. In and out to number 8. And you're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. In and around and in and around. And there you go. You've got your outline done. Next, we're going to work on the details. First, I'm going to connect number 6 to 20 to finish off Luca's chin. Now I'm adding scales to his arms. I'm finishing his arms and his body. I've sped up the video, but if you need more time to draw, just pause the video, finish your drawing, and then watch when you're done. No need to rush, take your time. Now a few straight lines on his fins on the side of his face. Now I'm going to be drawing his eyes. And the pupil and the little highlight in his eye. If you have trouble drawing circles, you can always use a template, like a bowl or a plate or a cup, and help you and trace around that. And 2 little holes for his nose and a smile. Now Luca also has some freckles, so let's add some of those. Now these are the eyebrows. And little marks for a little frown. Next, we're going to do his hair. I want you to go from number to number and do a wavy half circle. And then you're going to fill his head behind with almost looks like cabbage. Remember, if you need more time, you can always pause the video. Keep drawing wavy half circles until you have about 2 or 3 layers. And when we're all done, we get to color. If you've seen the movie, you know Luca is green in color with a little bit of blue. So I'm picking a light green marker and I'm coloring his body and the lower half of his face. Then I'm picking a light blue marker to do the top half of his face and I'm blending it in the middle around his nose. And I'm going to use the same 2 colors on the fins on his neck. Now I'm picking a different light blue marker and I'm making spikes on his hair, almost like veins on a leaf. When I'm done that, I'm going to take a dark blue marker and go around the spikes that I already drew, just like he has in the movie. Once that's done, I pick a green for his eyebrows, yellow for his eyes. I pick an orange and a brown, and now I'm blending them together for his irises. Now I take a black marker and I color in his pupils and his nose, and I pick a green one, the same one I did for his eyebrows, for his freckles. Now I'm taking darker markers and I'm adding shadows. Well, junior artists, I hope you had fun. And if you need time, it's okay to pause the video. It took me about 2 hours to draw and color this whole picture. So if you ever need more time, that's okay, as long as you had fun. See you next time!